So maybe you have had this issue where you have a text and a box and you want to align the text exactly to the middle of the box. So what you try to do is select both the text and the box, go to align and align the text and the box like this. But as you can tell, there's a way bigger gap down here than there is up here. And that's because it's aligning to the bounding box and not the text itself. But in Illustrator CC there's an easy fix. So select the text, go to align, and if it isn't open you can go to window and find it right here. Then go to this drop down, go to align to glyph bounds and simply select point text. So now if we select both the text and the box, we can simply align it again. And this time it will be accurate. As you can tell now, the gap is the same right here as right here. So use this tip in your next project. If you like this video, you can hit the like button or you can watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you.